So apparently everybody has been going on about using bama in their cakes, and yeah, it was new to me. I mean, we learn every day, so don't think I know everything. Yeah, and I'm like, okay, what goes? How about I try out a recipe and see what happens? And here I am trying the first chocolate recipe with bama. So I just followed this a very simple process, nothing too serious. Mixed all dry ingredients together and then the wet ingredients. The mayonnaise is just like the base, and here I used bama. I know there are varieties like Jago, Winnick, and the rest, but I used bama because why not? I have to use the best to give you guys the review. Now I used I used only vanilla recipe, and here is the bama I used. Now mixing all the ingredients together. I want to say this in case you start looking for the measurement. I'm going to just write every ingredient I used here and then the measurements above, so you just see them. I used hot water, but I want to also let you in on a secret. If you want this recipe more richer, please just go ahead, add coffee, yeah, just to give it that rich, nicer taste. What do I think about this cake after I was done baking? I think is okay. Yeah, it is okay. It is very nice. I also gave my students to try out my team. They have their opinions, but I mean, it's nice. It's nice. It's something you can sell. Yes, you can actually sell this. You can monetize this recipe and sell it to, your clients. It's something you can make and sell to your clients. But for me, it doesn't beat my original chocolate cake recipe. Yeah. So, is this something I would sell to clients? Yeah, if someone comes and say, "Oh, Lumash, I want Bama." I want Bama chocolate cake recipe. Of course, the recipe is very nice. I would do that for them. But I would stick to using my original chocolate cake recipe because, guy, it is so good. So, done baking, I used 2 cups of hot water, guys, hot water. And one thing with this recipe is it melts right into your mouth. I am not even kidding. It melts right into your mouth. It's not like you go chewing it and all that. Once you put it in your mouth, it melts. It has that perfect chocolate taste. And unlike the other chocolate cake that is very dense, this one is like fluffy. I don't know. It has this fluffy but very moist texture. Yeah, I think that's what I would this crack on top is all those perfect kind of crack. Yeah, so yeah, I think it's a go-to recipe if you are looking for a mayonnaise bama or whatever you want to call it recipe. I think this is a good recipe for it. And then here my students' opinion. Nice. Okay. Fold. Okay. All right. Thank you.
It tastes like chocolate pudding.
This is moist.
Mm-hmm.
It's not so sweet.
Where is measurement?
So sweet. It's
You have
just
plenty chocolate.
yes. They were very, very, very nice.